is Audrey with Cooking Couture Atlanta. This is a car confession. Hey, honey, it's raining so bad and people driving so crazy here in Atlanta. Listen, when it rains, it makes me want to cook. And you know, I was thinking, first of all, what do I think about the most in the car, especially during traffic? And this is a new car confession and a new car convention. We don't have a convention in the car. Think about what you want to cook. So I'm going to share with you how I put my meal together and what I think about. And I think about it right here. And then I guess I could go cook it and then post what I cook later. But I'm always trying to think of something different, something fun, something interesting. And I'm always trying to think of a way to jazz up something that I'm already doing and cooking. You know, I want to, like if I decide I want chicken, I'm like, okay, what kind of chicken have I never cooked? What about pineapple teriyaki? What would I need? Because I want to do something with this pineapple I have. Oh, you know what I want to do? I want to put a roast. Okay, better yet, I'm about to do it right now. I just thought about what I have in the freezer. I went to this little black market, whatever, Wayfield. They had the best meat. I went and they had some beef neck bones. Them beef neck bones look so good. I just had to buy them. Listen, and I got this pineapple because I did a food fact with the pineapple because I'm just infatuated with the pineapple. But I hadn't done anything with it and it's really getting right. So I'm going to cut the pineapple open, a fresh pineapple. And I am going to put it in the crock pot. Baby, yes, with some neck bones. I am about to make some pineapple teriyaki neck bones. Beef neck bones. I am not playing. I'm a season those neck bones with a little sea salt, fresh ground pepper, ooh, and some garlic. Because I can't do nothing without them three. And some garlic powder. Then, let me tell you what I'm about to do. And then I'm gonna put some teriyaki sauce on it. I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna marinate that, and then I'm gonna cut the pineapple up, and then I'm gonna put the pineapple on with it. I don't even have to let it marinate if I let it cook for a long time. Baby, I'm about to throw that in the crock pot and let that cook for 6 to 8 hours. Let that pineapple cook down. That whole pineapple cook down with those neck bones and that teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna do heavy on the black pepper. And I want a little spice in there. Just a little kick. I just want something to give it a little kick so it ain't too sweet. That's what's gonna kind of balance it out. I don't know if I want to do cayenne, but you know what I like? And I know I get this from my mama. I like crushed red pepper. That's what I'm about to do. Y'all see that? Oh no, you couldn't see how much water they just splashed on my windshield. Wow. Okay. I just came up with a recipe, and I know it's gonna be good because I like all the things involved. All right, so I'm about to make pineapple teriyaki beef neck bones in the slow cooker. Yes. I am about to take them out, thaw them, let them marinate in some teriyaki sauce, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. See, I like some onions on everything too. So if I run into the store, I need to get an onion. And see, I want a yellow onion. I want an onion that's a little more sweet because everything we doing is sweet. And I'm trying to think what shape I want my onions, how I feel like eating them. I want them long. I want to be able to eat them because they're going to have that teriyaki and pineapple sauce all on them. And then they already going to be a little sweet. I'm going to get some Vidalia onion. Yup. So I'm going to get me an onion. I got to run in the store. Give me an onion and a thing of teriyaki marinade. And that's what I'm about to make. And I gotta figure out I guess I'm gonna make some rice with it. You know what? I think I'm gonna do some jasmine rice. Don't ask me why, because jasmine's kind of sweet, and I think this dish is more on the sweet side. Now, you know what I think would really be good is if I fried the rice and made pineapple teriyaki, beef neck bones, and vegetable fried rice. Oh shit, now we feeling a little Asian soul food thing going on here. I wonder if I should fry the rice. If not, I'm gonna do the jasmine rice by itself just seems too plain, unless I do jasmine basil rice and put some basil in it. I need to do something. I gotta put some herbs or something in that rice. I don't want to just serve no plain rice, even though it's gonna make a little gravy. The traffic's so bad, y'all. It ain't even moving. That's what I'm gonna do. That's how I sit up and think of my recipes and what I'm gonna cook. So while you're in the car, kill the road rage, kill the frustration, figure out what you're gonna cook for dinner. And then you can run by the store and avoid a lot of traffic while doing happy hour. Run through the store, get what you need, get back in traffic. And I suggest doing stuff a day in advance. Like, think about what you want to cook tomorrow. Yeah, because this is not going to be for today. Even though I'm going to do a video and all of that. I really want some sushi. Maybe that's why I got jasmine rice on my mind. But, y'all, that's it. That's it. Listen. You better claim an amazing day and go out and be impressive, honey. And my pineapple teriyaki neck bones and jasmine fried rice is going to be impressive. We about to do this.